Imagine getting paid on Friday, and by Tuesday, your bank account is almost empty. You tell yourself you'll save more next month. But somehow, month after month, nothing changes. The truth is, most Americans aren't broke because they don't make enough money. They're broke because of a few financial habits that quietly drain their wealth every single day. Today, we're exposing the 5 money habits keeping millions of Americans stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. And trust me, number 5 might be the habit that's hurting you the most. Let's start with the biggest mistake: living beyond your means. Meet Sarah. Sarah makes $70,000 a year. She drives a brand new SUV, eats out several times a week, and upgrades her phone every year. From the outside, she looks successful. But behind the scenes, she's carrying credit card debt and has almost no savings. This is called lifestyle inflation. As income goes up, spending goes up too. Instead of building wealth, many people increase their expenses. The result? A higher paycheck but the same financial stress. Wealthy people often spend less than they earn. Broke people spend everything they earn and sometimes more. Now let's talk about credit cards. Credit cards can be useful, but they can also become financial quicksand. Imagine buying a $1,000 TV with a credit card. It feels affordable because you're only making minimum payments. But with interest charges, that TV could end up costing much more. Many Americans carry credit card balances month after month. And with interest rates remaining high, debt grows faster than people realize. The average person isn't paying for today's purchases. They're paying for purchases they made years ago. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that can't be invested, saved, or used to build a better future. The third habit is not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down. Medical bills appear. Jobs disappear. But many Americans have little or no emergency savings. Imagine your car suddenly needs a $2,000 repair. If you don't have savings, what happens? Most people turn to credit cards or loans. And that's where financial problems begin. An emergency fund acts like a financial shield. It prevents small setbacks from becoming financial disasters. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Yet millions of Americans couldn't cover even one unexpected bill without borrowing money. That's a dangerous position to be in. The fourth habit is ignoring investing. Many people think investing is only for the wealthy. That's simply not true. The biggest advantage in investing isn't money. It's time. Imagine 2 friends. One starts investing $200 a month at age 25. The other waits until age 35. Even if they invest the same amount afterward, the person who started earlier can end up with significantly more money because of compound growth. Money invested today has years to grow. Money spent today is gone forever. Unfortunately, many Americans delay investing because they think they'll start later. But later often becomes never. And missing years of growth can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars over a lifetime. Finally, the fifth habit: not tracking where your money goes. This is the silent wealth killer. Most people know exactly how much money they earn, but they have no idea where it goes. A few streaming subscriptions, daily coffee runs, food delivery fees, impulse purchases online. Individually, these expenses seem small, but together they can quietly drain thousands of dollars every year. Think of your money like water in a bucket. If there are holes in the bucket, it doesn't matter how much water you pour in. You'll still end up empty. Tracking expenses helps you identify those holes. Because what gets measured gets managed. And what gets ignored gets expensive. Here's the good news. Financial success isn't usually about making one huge decision. It's about fixing small habits consistently. Stop living beyond your means. Use credit cards wisely. Build an emergency fund. Start investing early. And track every dollar. These simple changes won't make you rich overnight. But over time, they can completely transform your financial future. Which of these 5 habits do you think is hurting Americans the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance content. Thanks for watching. And remember, building wealth starts with the habits you choose today.